This time we will paint a bunny girl with a wreath. You can find the line drawing in the project section. Feel free to download it and transfer it to a watercolor paper. We will paint super easy flowers with some greenery. We have already practiced them. A simplified rose, some 5-petal flowers, some fillers and nice leaves will work well for a wreath. I will use simple colors, nothing fancy, just yellow and red, and of course green for the leaves. Just making simple stickers for the rose. Okay, just tip the brush and press. Fine. That 5-petal flower is simple, so ready to paint instant flower. Just use the tip of your brush and make lines in groups. And ram for the other side. Okay, from that we will hardly see anything, but we give the illusion of it. The main flowers are ready in new, we can add some fillers. I use a red for them. Just make marks. Just dots. That part was quick and easy, I think. We can paint the leaves. Paint them as you would like to. But you can also copy my method as well. Some parts of the bigger leaves are under the rose, but the tip of the leaves are clearly visible. The smaller leaves are very easy to paint. Just touch the tip of the brush to the paper, press it and lift. Press and lift, and add so many leaves as you would like to. The rose needs some more leaves. And the hanging part as well. It seems to be super nice, but I think some filler spots with yellow will give more harmony. Make sure that your brush is clear before you grab your yellow. or mix another color. Just make some little dots. The 5 petal flowers are dry. We can add some red to the middle. That's it. We are ready with the wreath. Was it easy and quick? I think so. With the light pink, we can paint the nose of the bunny. Just a small curvy triangle. I think this color fits to the mouse as well. We can paint the ears. I think for the middle part a pink red will be perfect. Nothing fancy, just a simple wet on dry technique as we did it in the hull section. With a smaller branch with a pointy tip, we can work well between the flowers. This seems to be a bit tricky, but it's easy when you see what you do. And now the other side, between the flowers. Okay, we are done. I would like to let dry the painted parts so we can add the grayish pinkish color to the cheek. This will be nice. I mix a reddish brownish color from yellow ochre and light red, and with this I paint the rest of the ears. Feel free to use that color or mixture that you would like to. The left side is a great place to test the mixture, and I'm satisfied with it. I can paint the right ear now. Make sure that everything is dry, so you can avoid blending the colors. With painting fine details and filling out small areas, you learn your brush better and you learn some brush control too. Isn't it fun? I'm adding some yellow ochre to this part. and some more pigments to the upper part. So I have strong colors and I like it. With a watery brownish mixture, we can paint the face between the flowers at this time as well. You don't need to paint even, we will add some texture to this part, so don't worry. The eye part comes later. It's great. When the painting is dry, we can paint the eyes. You can use a marker or a fire liner to this part if that way is more comfortable for you. I use my dark gray and a small brush and I will paint the eyes. A little spot will stay white, it will suggest the reflection of the light. No rush, just keep it slowly and concentrate on what you are doing. The right eye is done, we can paint the left one. Fortunately, it's a small part. And done. With a brownish color, we can paint a contour around the eyes. This will highlight the eyes. But leave a small place with a discolor beside the eyes. That make more definition. Oh, I love it so much. And now some texture with the smallest brush and the brownish color. Make marks with the brush side. This will give the illusion of fur at the right side and on the forehead, between the flowers and everywhere you feel it. Just tap 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 tap. These are not fancy movements, but for the texture will be great. Now we have to wait till everything is dry and we can paint the eyelashes and hairs. Don't forget, you can draw these with a fine liner. Quick, fine lines. Okay, these are too short. And these are with dry painting. I don't mind that, these hairs are great. And now the eyelashes. Curvy, girlish eyelashes for the bunny. Oh, lovely. I'm really satisfied with them. Above the rose, some filler flowers would be happy. I add them quickly between the leaves. And some lines between the nose and mouth. These lines will highlight them. Fine. So lovely.